Stop scrolling, because by the end of 2025, millions of jobs will vanish. And here's the shocking part, experts say only 7 AI-powered careers will survive and thrive. If you don't prepare now, you may already be too late. Think back to 2008. The iPhone quietly entered our lives, and in just a few years, entire industries collapsed: taxis, cameras, even retail stores. People laughed at the disruption, until their jobs were gone. Now it's happening again. But this time, it's not a device. It's artificial intelligence. And its impact could be 10x bigger. The real question isn't if jobs will disappear, it's which ones will survive. And only 7 careers are predicted to not only survive, but become the highest paying in the AI era. Let's uncover them, one by one. Job number 7, AI trainers, prompt engineers. You've probably used ChatGPT or Midjourney. But behind every powerful AI is a human trainer, someone who teaches it what to say, what to create, and what's valuable. They're called prompt engineers. Right now, they're making 6 figures, just for knowing how to talk to AI better than anyone else. Imagine a world where AI is everywhere, but only a small group knows how to command it. That's power. Job number 6, AI cybersecurity analysts. As AI grows, so do digital threats. Hackers are already using AI to break into systems faster than humans can stop them. Companies are desperate for AI-powered defenders. Think about it, every bank, hospital, and government will need them. This isn't just a job. It's a war. Job number 5, AI healthcare specialists. AI is scanning X-rays, reading lab reports, and even predicting diseases. But it's not replacing doctors, it's empowering them. The survivors? Healthcare professionals who know how to use AI tools. Imagine being the doctor who saves lives because you understand both medicine and machines. Job number 4, AI business strategists. Every CEO knows they need AI, but most don't know how. That's where AI business strategists come in. They design how AI is used in companies, from marketing to logistics. They're not just employees, they're the architects of the future economy. Job number 3, robotics and automation engineers. Self-driving trucks, robot warehouses, automated kitchens, it's all powered by robotics. And who builds, maintains, and improves these machines? Automation engineers. The more jobs AI replaces, the more demand for the people who build the replacement. Job number 2, data and AI ethicists. There's a hidden question nobody wants to ask: who decides what AI should do? These people, called AI ethicists, will decide what's fair, legal, and ethical. Think of them as the lawmakers of the future. The power they'll hold? Immense. Job number 1, AI developers and architects. And finally, the number 1 survivor, the creators themselves. AI developers and architects. The ones building the brains of tomorrow's machines. The world runs on software, and in the AI era, they are the new oil barons. Their salaries? Sky high. But here's the dark side. What if you're not in one of these 7 careers? What if, in 2 years, AI takes over your role, and job listings vanish overnight? Experts warn, by 2030, 300 million full-time jobs could disappear worldwide. Imagine walking into your office, and half the desks are empty, not because people quit, but because they were replaced. The future doesn't wait. Only these 7 careers are predicted to survive and thrive in the AI era. The question is, will you adapt, or will you watch from the sidelines as others claim the opportunities? Because by the time 2025 ends, it may already be too late.